All right, guys, let's quickly go over the time and price templates that are going to be coming up for early this morning in the Boond at 2 a.m. Eastern Time, and also the time and price templates for the ES, oil, and the NASDAQ. And there's kind of some interesting things here on the templates for trading. You can see here, this is a German Boond that I have up here. And this is your major one, your major two, your swing, major one, major two swing, blah, 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 right? It's all labeled on there. But I want you to notice these clusters right here, right? And you have a cluster right here as well. So all of these clusters, you don't really see this very often, to where time is coming together throughout the entire trading session. So there should be some pretty good action today in the German Boond. So you want to keep an eye out on those levels for sure, because those are going to be big time make or break points. Let's see here. Let's go to the ES next, and you can see on the ES we have the squeeze zones, right? I've got a video on the squeezes, and I put the prices up here so that you know what they are. 58.50 to 57.5, 49.75, 48.75, so on and so forth. We also have 3 double zones in this area right here, right here, right here, and right here. So, and then these are your swings and your majors. So these squeezes, if you go back and look at the video on the squeezes, they're pretty darn useful. And having these two squeezes this close together is pretty wild too. So we've got a lot of confluence that's coming together time-wise, which has a tendency of leading to larger moves. So something's right around the corner. I would imagine it's going to be a down move, but like I said before, we are not in the business of predicting. We're in the business of probability. And then this is oil. You know, you've got your 2 swing levels here, your major 2, your major 1. We've got a key level here at 93. And then we've got a bunch of clusters here too. So keep an eye on those clusters, because those are going to be instrumental in crude as well. So you can see there's a lot going on in all of these markets. This is a NASDAQ, your major here, your swing here. And once again, we've got time and price coming together here with the pink line and the cyan line. And then you got a squeeze and a squeeze and a squeeze right here. So when we enter that time zone just before 7 a.m. Eastern time, you're going to be wanting to watch those particular price levels. So there's a lot coming together right now in time and price. So be prepared for more than likely a dramatic move one way or the other. So whichever way it decides to go, we'll hop on. But in the meantime, we have to be made aware of the fact that this is starting to develop. All right, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Looking forward to this week in trading. And that's it for now. Later.